Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly what window Chomik refers to and locating the source. Without that, you can't proceed. Once identified, make sure you're on a Windows PC with an admin account, a browser updated to the latest version, and antivirus running to avoid corrupt downloads. Next, install a lightweight download manager or necessary browser extension so you can resume or accelerate transfers. These first steps reduce interruptions and give you control over file integrity as you continue. Now you perform the actual retrieval. Open the source page and inspect the download link or mirror. Right-click to copy the direct URL if available. Then paste that URL into your download manager, choose a clear destination folder, and enable Resume plus multiple connections to speed the transfer. If the source requires credentials, log in securely and use two-factor authentication when offered. This prevents session issues. Make sure to monitor progress briefly to catch errors early and verify file size. Finish by verifying the file. Compare the checksum or file size to the source to ensure it's complete and uncorrupted. Once verified, run a quick antivirus scan, then move the file to your intended folder and set appropriate permissions. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reduce concurrent connections and retry, or switch to an alternative mirror. Clearing the browser cache and restarting the manager often fixes transient errors. Keep a note of what worked for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.